आयज हांगासर आमच्या विधानसभेचे कामकाज थोडो वेळ पळोवपा खातीर म्हणून विजिटर्स गॅलरीन एक अतिमहनीय व्यक्ती अशे बरोबर आयिल्ले आसात. आमच्या रॉयल गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ भूतानचे नॅशनल काउन्सिलाचे चेअरपर्सन ऑनरेबल लोम्पो नामगेव पेंजेरो आणि तांच्या बरोबर नॅशनल असेंब्लीचे लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन ऑनरेबल लोम्पो तेनशिंग डोमगे आणि तांच्या बरोबर बाकीचे डेलिगेशन हांगासर आयिल्लें आसा. तांचें हांव तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या वतीन स्वागत करता. गोवा लेजिस्लेटिव्ह असेंब्ली मेंबर्स अँड स्पीकर वेलकम यू. पहिलो प्रश्नकाल सुरू करूया.
Under Rule 49(2) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of Goa Legislative Assembly, I request that a reply to the unstar question number 138 regarding total mineral ore exported, tabled by Sri Vijay Sardesai, stated to be answered on 6/8, may be kindly postponed and allowed to be replied in the next Assembly session, as the data is voluminous and is to be analyzed for its correctness. Under Rule 49(2) Rules of Procedure, I seek postponement of postponed unstar LAQ number 168, tabled by Sri Alex Reginald Lawrence on 8th August 2012. Speaker sir, unstar LAQ number 113, 114, 115 and 118 revised replies are already circulated.
पुढलो प्रश्न श्री निलेश काब्राल. पुढलो प्रश्न श्री विजय सरदेसाई.
May be permitted to ask star LAQ 3B.
2B. 3B.
Yeah.
विचार. प्रश्न 3B.
Speaker sir.
उत्तरूच दिवन ना. स्पीकर सर उत्तर सभागृहात प्रिंटेड दिला त्याप्रमाणे.
Speaker sir, going by the answer that I have received, it appears that the exception is the rule when it comes to allowing mines to be renewed on dimming provision. Since out of 82 active mining leases, 80 are running on dimming provision for renewal. I understand that the law stipulates that applicants will have to apply for renewal 1 year before the expiry of the lease. एक वर्ष पयली एक्सपायर जावचे पयली अप्लाय करूंक जाय. This is what the law stipulates. It also means that all this is nothing to assist the mine owners to continue without EC and approved mining plans. My supplementary is, when will this renewal applications be disposed of? Within how much time?
Speaker sir, within how much time? The member will have to wait for another 3 days. आमची mining policy आता तातून भितर ताचे उत्तर ताका मेळटलें. There is no legal limit set on that, and the legal position is that if a lease is not renewed as applied, then it goes under what is called as deemed renewal clause. Clause 6, Rule 6 of 24A, Mineral Concession Rules 1960 says, if an application for renewal of a mining lease made within the time referred in subsection in subrule of 1 is not disposed of by state government before the date of expiry of lease, the period of that lease shall be deemed to have been extended by a further period till the state government passes order thereon. आता इतले दीस कित्याक जावन ना हाजें उत्तर हांव दिवंक शकना. हांव इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदता की कितें तरी चुकीची गजाल घडलेली आसा. And from my side, we are coming to conclusion that in a definite time frame, all these leases either has to be rejected or renewed. So we are waiting for mining policy because it is a part of the policy. Another 2 days you have to wait. You will know exactly what is the time period we are fixing for ourselves. आमच्या पुरतो. आणि दुसरे म्हणजे स्टॅम्प एक्ट आहा पळय तोय पास जावचो पडटलो. तो पास जालो, तो नोटिफाय जालो की टाइम टेबल सुरू जातलें आणि म्हाका दिसना की अंदूच्या फायनान्शियल इयराच्या पलीकडे वतले अशें.
स्पीकर सर, हाजे पयलीं अशें आशिल्लें की रिन्युअल फायली त्यो उगड्यो वचूंक नासले, थंयच दवरप. परहॅप्स दॅट वॉज द मोडस ऑपरंडी यूज्ड बाय द अर्लियर गव्हर्मेंट टू हेल्प द मायन ओनर्स, basically to facilitate breaking of environmental laws. Now when this government says that we will have a changed policy and a policy by which a fixed time frame would be used to renew the leases, my question is that this mining industry has been continuing from 1987 till date on such type of faults in the system. What happens about that? I'm not talking about the future. I'm talking about how will you correct the past. Because I feel that there are many leases which will not even get an EC. So this was perhaps a system of trying to allow them to do mining when they were not environmentally worthy of doing mining activity.
Speaker sir, environment clearanceच्या संदर्भात जी नोटिफिकेशन आसा ते 2006 चे नोटिफिकेशन आसा. ताज्या पयलीं EC घेवपाची आवश्यकता नाशिल्ली. मेंबराक जशें दिसता तशे विशय न्हय तो. दॅट इज अ गोलमाल, बट दॅट इज नॉट इन द वे ही थिंग्स. इवन इफ द लीज इज ग्रांटेड और लीज इज नॉट ग्रांटेड, एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्स इज एन मस्ट. यू कॅनॉट डू मायनिंग जस्ट बिकॉज यू हॅव अ लीज. पयर हांवें खूब जाणांनी ताजेर कोफुजाव करपाचो गोंयांत प्रयत्न केला. लीज आहा पळय, ती लीज नासले जाल्यार ती डीम लीज जाता. त्यामुळे जेन्ना इल्लिगल मायनिंगचो प्रश्न आयिल्लो तेन्ना हांवें उत्तर दिल्लें पळय नो इल्लिगल मायनिंग. ताजें कारण हें आसा, म्हणजे जाका सर्वसामान्य मनशाच्या नजरेन इल्लिगल मायनिंग दिसता ते बऱ्याचदा कायद्याच्या नजरेन इल्लिगल नासता. इल्लिगल बारीक बारीक कोण करता तो वेगळो. इरेग्युलर मायनिंग यस, नॉट सो मॉरल यस. हो प्रश्न चड तुवें तुज्या शेजाऱ्याक विचारचो पडटलो जो 12 काय 14 वर्सां कितें तरी मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो आणि ताज्या पयलीं ऑनरेबल लिडर ऑफ ओपोजिशन आशिल्ले मिनिस्टर मायनीचे. पण एज अ मायन्स मिनिस्टर आय कॅन एश्युअर यू दॅट ड्युरींग द करंट फायनान्शियल इयर द एक्सेप्शन वील बी रिवर्स्ड. म्हणजे एखादी खंयची तरी 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 बी उरल्यो कितें टॅक्निकल कारणां खातीर जाल्यार गजाल वेगळी. ह्या करंट फायनान्शियल इयरान डेफिनेटली ह्यो सगळ्यो लिजी रिन्यू जातल्यो किंवा रिजेक्ट जातल्यो. I don't assure that they will be renewed 100%. If they are not as per the rules, they can be rejected also.
Speaker sir, I understand that there are 6 required clearances required for renewal. Chief Minister has been quoted saying that leases will be renewed only those having proper clearances from various authorities. Obviously. What is the meaning of proper? How is proper different from required clearances? Which means out of these 6, which is the mining plan from Indian Bureau of Mines, environmental clearance from Ministry of Environment and Forest, consent under Air and Water Act, forest clearance, environment protection, आणि mine safety. हातूंतलो खंयचो proper आसा and not required आसा? What is the difference between the two?
तुमची जर परवानगी आसत जाल्यार हे सगळें बूक हांव टेबलाचेर दवरता. हांवें मुद्दाम हाडला त्याच खातीर. इट इज सच अ थिक एक्ट मायनिंगच्या संदर्भातलो की तुका सगळीं उत्तरां दिवपाक गेलो हांव जाल्यार हातले बरेचशे कोट करचे पडटा.
हांव सगळीं तशी मागला. आय एम नॉट आस्किंग वॉल्यूम आन्सर. आय एम आस्किंग आउट ऑफ दीस 6 which will be condoned.
जे कसले कंडोन बिंडोन काय जावचें ना. जे फॉर्मान एप्लिकेशन करतकच ज्यो गजाली आवश्यक आसा लीज एग्रीमेंट सायन करपाक त्यो गजाली पूर्ण करून आमी लीज एग्रीमेंट सायन करतले. खंयच्यो कित्याक हांव समजा एक खंयची विसरलो गजाल सांगपाक, हांव तातूंत एक्सपर्ट ना. म्हणजे हांव स्पश्ट सांगता ते कायद्यान जें कितें आसा ताजें लिस्ट घेतलो, चॅक मार्क करतलो, ऑफिसराक सांगतलो सगळें टीक मार्क कर प्रत्येक गजाल आसा काय ना ती. आसा काय इतलें हांव पळयतलो आनी देन आय वील इश्यू ऑर्डर.
ऑल द दीस ऑर देर इज समथींग. हांव कितें म्हणटा, सो नेसेसरी आहा तातूंत प्रॉपर म्हणून तातूंत कमी कितें हें करी जातलो सो सोडून काय अशें कितें आहा?
जे कितें कायद्यान बसता ज्या जाग्यार अधिकार म्हाका जर आसा दिला स्पेसिफीक अधिकार जाल्यार तो स्पेसिफीक अधिकार एक्झिक्यूट करप काय ना करप हें डिसिजन क्वासी ज्युडिशियल ऑथॉरिटी किंवा त्या ऑथॉरिटीचें आसता. ते हांव एसेंब्लीक रिप्लाय करता आसतना जनरल ताजेर उत्तर दिवंक शकना कारण फाल्यां देर आर मेनी पोजिशन्स वीच आय एन्जॉय ऑर एनी मिनिस्टर एन्जॉय एज अ क्वासी ज्युडिशियल ऑथॉरिटी. If he is enjoying something as a quasi judicial authority where certain things has to be decided or based on certain information, he has to take it based on that information. I cannot say so, but I can assure member one thing. Aka bot dakopak meळचे ना.
Shri Alex Reginald.
In the previous PSC report, आमचो तितून एक हें आसलें, एक मायन आसली, हांव नांव घेना, 5951. In this mine, irregularities note केल्ले. असले आनी irregular mines आहाय काय ना?
काय स्पीकर सर, जरी हाजो क्वेश्चनाचो जरी तो डायरेक्ट नसलो जाल्यार ताका म्हायतीक सांगता. A file has been already moved to cancel leases of 40 mines which were supposed to be have listed in the PSC report which was not table on the house. But since I was the originator of the report, I already moved a file for cancellation of 40 leases granted during Congress regime.
Speaker sir, one last question. Whether these 40 leases जे पड cancel जाले, त्यो तितल्यो specific कोणा target करपा हाय कित्याक PSC reportan थोड्यो आसली, out of which 40 mines were not identified. All
as identified in the PSC report, a file is at this moment moving for legal advice. प्रॉपर नोटीस कितें गव्हर्मेंटाक करता आसतना कायद्यान करचें पडटा. ताका कितें म्हणटात ते नॅचरल जस्टीस नांवाचें एक प्रकरण आसता. तातूंत भितर तुमी जर नोटीस दिली ना कोणाक जाल्यार फाल्यां कोर्ट्स इमिजिएटली पयली स्टे करता. त्यामुळे आमी सगळे प्रोसिजर फॉलो करून जितल्यो PSC कमिटीन 40 दाखयल्ल्यो एका पर्टिक्युलर टायपच्यो सांगता तो तरेतरेच्यो आहा त्यो इलिगॅलिटी. आतां ह्यो 40 ऑपरेटीव मायन आसा अश्यो न्हय, भितर 10 काय 8 काय 10 कितें तरी ऑपरेटीव आहा. त्यो सगळ्यो लीज कश्यो केल्ल्यो जाणा तूं 24A सबसेक्शन 10 वापरून 9 आनी 10 चो गोंदळ घालून भितर कंडोनेशन पावर नासतना अर्लियर ऑथॉरिटीज म्हणजे मिनिस्टर मायन्स हॅड कंडोन द डिलेज.
not all.
These 40 cases they were not allowed under law to condone this delay. They had wrongly interpreted or misinterpreted the condonation clause subsection 10 of rule 24A. वाचून दाखवूंक जाल्यार हांव वाचून दाखयता.
स्पीकर सर, तुमचे कडेन ते लिस्ट आहा?
एक मिनिट,
लिस्ट आसा
दिता. त्यामुळे ही कंडोनेशन पावर नासतना कंडोन डिले केल्लो आनी लीज रिवायव केल्ली. सो वी आर इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ इश्युईंग notices to all 40 why their leases should not be cancelled because their condonation of delay itself was illegal.
Speaker sir, all 40 will be cancelled. One last assurance.
All 40, according to me personally, have been done without legal provision in the law. If anyone can show proper legal provision, that can be considered. I told you, as a quasi-judicial authority, I cannot reply that because it will prejudice my mind, and tomorrow the mine owner will use it in the court for getting a stay. But I can assure you that all 40 will be considered on merit. I underline the word merit, on legal provisions.
पुढलो प्रश्न श्री विष्णू वाघ.
Be permitted to ask starred LAQ number 4A.
Cyclostyle.
Speaker sir, I just want to know from Honorable Minister regarding the